Textron Aviation is set to unveil its latest offering, the Cessna Citation Ascend at NBAA 2023 in Las Vegas. Visitors will have the opportunity to explore the full flight deck inside the cabin mockup. One standout feature of the Ascend is its flat floor design. This design improvement has allowed Textron to introduce new ergonomic seats that can swivel and track to provide passengers with more legroom and enhanced comfort. The Ascend is equipped with the Garmin G5000 avionics suite, which includes an integrated auto throttle system. Flight testing is already underway. Furthermore, a production-ready version is on track to begin flight testing before the end of the year. The anticipated price is $16.7 million, and it is expected to enter into service in 2025. The Ascend's appearance at BACE will also mark the first time that attendees will have the chance to see its exterior design, which has been completely reworked.